For years, the skies belonged to manned spy planes and drones like the RQ-170 Sentinel. But whispers began of something bigger, stealthier, and more advanced. Enter the rumored RQ-180, a next-generation stealth drone said to fly higher, stay longer, and see farther than anything before it. Believed to be built by Northrop Grumman, it reportedly uses a massive flying wing design, like a smaller B-2 bomber with advanced stealth shaping and sensors. Here's the catch: the RQ-180 has never been officially acknowledged. What little we know comes from leaks, budget hints, and satellite photos. If it exists, it represents a leap in ISR capability, able to penetrate contested airspace where AWACS or Global Hawk would never survive. But secrecy raises questions. How many are flying and where? If real, the RQ-180 signals the dawn of Day 1 ISR platforms that go in with strike aircraft, unseen, mapping threats before the first shot is fired. It's the invisible scout of the 21st century battlefield. So while you may never see one, the RQ-180 could already be overhead, silent, invisible, and rewriting the rules of reconnaissance. Subscribe for more ISR stories, and always keep looking up.